This is the Pulse Ace by Hammer, a budget smartwatch. This smartwatch has a lot of integrated features, so let's check them out. Inside the box, we have the watch and the silicone strap. Under that, we have the charger, manuals, and also the warranty card. Back to the watch, feels nice. We have this one button on the right. These are the sensors used by the watch to monitor the heart rate, etc. Let's attach the straps. Booting up the watch. Wow, it started up really fast. We see first the default watch face. Swipe left and right and we can change the watch faces. Tap on the face and we have all the inbuilt, can we call them apps? We have alarm, calendar, heart rate monitoring, camera control, etc. The icons move like they would on an Apple Watch. We can change the style of the app drawer, if I can call it that. These are the styles available. For now, the watch faces are limited to the ones on the watch. If it is not connected to the app, the watch feels responsive too. The screen is 1.69 inch with a resolution of 240 by 280. No animations between screens, just an abrupt change. That's understandable as it costs below 2000 rupees. Visibility in bright sunlight is a bit low. Let's test the heart rate. Okay, we got a value here. Let's test it with my Mi Active Revolve. The watch costs around 4 times the price of the Hammer Pulse Ace, but at least we get to test how good the onboard sensors are. Wow, that's a lot of difference between the two watches. Let's check SpO2, blood pressure. We have an app for the watch, it's called Fit Pro. Just scan the QR code on the watch, pair the watch and done. Now we can view the steps taken, set up calls and notification permissions and a lot more. You can initiate exercise tracking using the app or even via the watch. Bluetooth calling is possible when linked to a phone. You can also initiate calls from the watch using the dialer present on it. This is how calls appear on the watch and the sound is clear both for us and the end listener. Hello?
Hello?
You can hear me?
Yeah.
Here's how a message pops up. We can also use the watch as a Bluetooth camera shutter. We can change the watch faces via the app and they look really nice. It does take time to update the watch faces. Let's check how good a photo watch face looks on the watch. Not bad. The photo does look better in real life on the watch than in the video. Oh, we also have ECG, cool. Raise to wake works, but you need to activate it on the app first. It's rated at IP67 water resistance. If you find that the watch is timing out too early, you can set the timeout up to 3 minutes if you want. Battery life is estimated to be around 7 days and the charger snaps on like so to charge the watch. No magnets to keep it in place, just friction to hold it down. Make sure you align the pins before snapping it down. Design-wise, it's not unique. Looks like most smartwatches in this form factor. You might have understood what my views are on the Hammer Pulse Ace. It's a fine watch, but being a budget watch, there is of course some cost cutting on the build and features. The sensors are not accurate, I wouldn't trust them too much. So how did you like the smartwatch? Do you have a smartwatch? Make sure to comment below which one you are using. So thank you for watching and see you all next time.